Hello everybody, my name is Taylor Green. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
Hi everyone, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm one of the other audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
And this is my patient first. We've got two patients in this compilation, isn't it? Two. Oh, look at this one.
That's a tough old one, isn't it?
Very, very old, this wax. Patient said they've, a little while ago, I think it must have been about a year or two ago, they used the cotton bud, shoved it in, and the hearing has kind of been intermittent. It's been coming and going. You could see there was a little gap where you could see a little bit of the eardrum. So it has been coming and going, and they thought, it's time to get it sorted, basically. Yeah. So it's come away really easy, actually. It's only a really, really thin layer, so it shouldn't interfere too much with the hearing. But like I said, it's coming away nice and easy. I'm hoping that's going to roll forward.
Yeah, you really want it to come away because that was such an awkward angle to get there.
Yeah, lovely. That's what we wanted. Very dark as well. You can see how that colour is usually a sign that it's been there for quite a while. Yeah. And I mean, like, that's normally years worth of wax there.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That's what you want to see, is those lovely little kind of jumps off, so you know it's not been attached there.
It's a tricky one. Very difficult to get those last little bits. I do try to get some of them away, and I think we do manage to get some of these little bits away.
Thing is, they're not hard either, so they're mushy, so they're stuck. They don't want to come away particularly easily.
Is that going to come away?
Well, that's a tender place as well, isn't it? There,
right on the. It's connected to the ear canal, so we've managed to get a little tiny bit. Obviously we don't want the patient to flinch or jump at this point, so
definitely not.
I'm going to leave it as it is there. We've got a nice clear view of the eardrum. There is a couple of little bits left on the ear canal, but those over time naturally will just start to come away with baths and showers, and that should come away quite nicely.
I didn't look at the inches. You were going to send me this?
Oh, I didn't even look at them. I was just talking away. Sorry.
That's all right. So this is my patient. The title for this one I just put is big plugs. So it's it's not very descriptive. But what we've got here is just some really, really chunky old plugs in quite a narrow entranced canal as well. So.
Just bendy, isn't it?
It is. It's kind of trying to hold that canal open with the side of the suction tube while you're trying to pull this out. It's always a little bit more difficult with these much narrower canals. You will be seeing Katie again real soon as well. We're going to try and do a couple more with this three of us. We've decided we're going to have to make a bigger green screen because we can't fit us all on practically. So that's going to happen next week. But Katie will be on, I think, for the next video. I think all three of us did manage to do the members video. It was we were literally sat like this
on each other's lap.
It was a bit of a tight squeeze, but we'll try again.
I was talking to Dio. We don't have mics anymore.
No. So yes,
we don't have mics anymore.
It's weird. We got the one on top of the camera now. It's doing the job. So yeah, we're getting there, but it does need a bit of a rejig as well. So this plug is starting to come away. You can see it breaking down a little bit.
I always find it when it's this large. We say the plug. I always find it easier to try and break it down into little bits. You get a bit more space around it, and
I do try and kind of like bring it to the front, sort of almost wedge it in place, because I don't like it. When it gets mobile, it's a bit more difficult, isn't it? When it starts to drop back a little bit. Yeah.
That's a full ear canal.
It was a little bit. You kind of when they're really narrow, but the difficulty here is that the canal entrance is narrow, but the actual canal itself is kind of regular average size, so it just makes it so much more difficult because you've got those big plugs trying to get through that teeny tiny gap right at the entrance.
That's tough, isn't it? It's tough.
Yeah, no, it was one.
Oh, that's
you had a really interesting case yesterday, didn't you?
Yes, yeah.
Don't tell me.
No, I'm not going to tell you. I'm not going to tell you. But you need to watch it. You need to watch it. Let's just say it's something I've never removed from anybody's ear canal before.
I've never removed one of those either.
No,
it's a first to me as well. I got to be honest. I was watching going, no, and it was it was a really interesting one. Yeah, really, really interesting one.
Coming up soon.
Yes, I haven't actually edited it. Edited it. That's so hard to say. Edited it. There we go. Yet. It's a long day. Actually, guys, while we're talking about editing, work here is super busy at the moment. So we have got a bit of an exciting opportunity for somebody. I am looking for the channel, I should say. It's not just me anymore, it's everybody. We're looking for a video editor. We're looking for somebody that could edit our videos for us, ready for our voiceovers, and then edit ready for the social media uploads as well. I would really like someone to help me out with that, because I'm finding it so difficult to do with work being as busy as it is. I can't speak, as it is at the moment. So if you are interested, or if you know of somebody, drop us an email at admin, ADMIN, at audiologyassociates.co.uk. All right, do me a favor, drop me an email, because we get so many comments. I will they'll probably, if you do tag anybody, they'll probably get a little bit lost. So if you know of anybody, or if you're a video editor and would love to give us a bit of a helping hand here, we're not expecting you to do it for free, guys. We're going to pay you guys to do it, but I would really like somebody to give me a bit of a helping hand, which will allow us to spend more time voicing these things over and doing more audiology, so we get more wax removals for you guys to see. So yeah, that would be fab, if you don't mind. That'd be great. I'm going to bring this up every day for about next week until I find somebody, because I really need somebody to do it, if you don't mind. So yeah, that would be great. So we're just sort of still plugging away at this plug. So I think you might as well just voice it over yourself. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I can't speak.
I can't even help. There's something in the air today. There must be.
Oh, it's got to be. It's got to be.
Yeah, the weather's horrible today. It's hammering down with rain, as we call it.
Raining cats and dogs.
Raining cats and dogs.
Raining cats and dogs here in the UK. There you go. So just got this last little kind of squishy bit. Ooh, that was nice.
Oh, where did that come from?
I know. It's kind of. You look in, he's like, hello. I'm still here.
You photobomb a piece of wax.
Interesting. Now, see that little kind of almost like cigar. You can see I'm having a good look at that. There's nothing on the drum. It almost looks like a little tiny sort of crease on that drum. Really unusual. Really strange. I've never seen that before, but it doesn't look like anything untoward, and it's perfectly translucent, so we can see through it. There's nothing going on behind it. But yeah, just an interesting one, that one. Also, very chunky plugs on this side as well. Chunky.
Well, straight in with the
not messing around now.
The right curette, this one, isn't it?
Yeah, going straight with the right curette. Look at that, it's coming out. And you were hoping for that nice big scooping around. It comes around, but nothing happened there.
They're usually quite sticky as well, maybe these types. You start to draw it forwards and it just kind of it just plasters itself against the ear canal.
I went to a lady came through for a hearing test, and I'd looked at her and said, look, you're absolutely chock-a-block of wax on both sides. And it was like this, but going literally the whole length of the canal. Really difficult. Even when you get to that really hard bit and you try to take the scoop through, and it's just not quite scooping. So yeah, it's quite an interesting.
Did the lady go, oh, I can hear now?
She did actually. At the end, she was going, oh my God, I can hear. I was like, oh great, well perhaps we cured you. You never know, but no, there was still a hearing loss there.
God, it's tricky. I had a patient earlier say, it's like, how do you know there's wax in there? Because he said, I didn't even realise there was wax in my ears.
Yeah, it's a hard one.
Funny enough, mine came in for a hearing test as well, thinking his hearing was getting worse.
Yeah.
Similar to this, we looked inside, pretty full both sides, it does happen. Some patients don't feel that build up until it gets to this point, basically, where it just blocks up your hearing. You get a bit of pressure. There's a couple of different symptoms you can get with a wax build-up.
Tinnitus as well.
Tinnitus is another one.
Altered sensation with jaw movement, the outer part of the ear. There's loads of stuff you can get with it, but the difficulty is you wouldn't know you had it, because it's not as if it goes like that.
Yeah.
So it's not as if you get this kind of instant sudden drop in hearing. It's more about this very gradual kind of diminishing hearing. Yeah.
Oh, I thought you had a good grip.
I thought I had it then. I was like, oh.
You got right behind it then.
You can see I'm so excited. I know there's a smudge just at the bottom of the screen there, and I'm thinking, oh, I should have cleaned that off. The way you see something afterwards, like, oh, why didn't I just spend 20 seconds just cleaning that camera? I think because
you know where you're looking at. You're
kind of in focus of that, but you kind of know where you're heading with the tool next, and you're afraid to kind of distract yourself because you won't get it.
It's like, hang on, I didn't get this angle just now.
I know. It's like that sometimes, where you've got that perfect angle, and you think, oh, I really don't want anything to change now. Most frustrating one for me is when you've used some oil, and you get the angle, and you just get it, and then suddenly the oil blurs the endoscope.
Almost there though.
Yeah, I think we're winning. It doesn't look like it at the moment. I'm like, how much further back does this go?
Just poke it at the other side.
Yeah, but I just see now the eardrum beyond. So I'm hoping now we're going to get that slide across the very base of this wax plug.
Oh, not quite.
Not quite.
Almost. Oh, we're swapping it.
It's getting serious now. The right hook's got involved.
The big guns,
the big guns are out. Yeah, I find the difficulty with this clay type wax is it's not always that effective, is it? You could do with almost like the St. Bart's hook here, but it's just so wide and so big. You just there you go. That's what we want. Almost like that Leonardo DiCaprio thing then. There it is. So it's coming away. Look at that.
Ooh.
So much clip.
Oh, wow.
How chunky that was.
4.5 centimetres.
Oh, I've cut the top of the inches off. I'm going to go... Which ends? I can't even tell.
What have we done there?
I don't really know.
In the middle of the ruler. Just put it in. Just
I don't even know what that is. Well, that would be an inch, because that's 1/16. So that's 1 inch.
2.5 inches, probably.
I'm going to go with 51 and 15/16 of an inch. There you go.
Yeah, that was
everyone in the US
precise.
that was going, just round it to the nearest quarter of an inch, it's fine. So there we
round
go.
it to the solid inch.
Yeah, that's
two or 3 inches.
That's exactly right. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching our video today. Don't forget, if you're a video editor, you know somebody who's looking for a little bit of extra work to help Obviously Barber out, that'd be absolutely fantastic. Make sure you drop us an email at admin@audiologyassociates.co.uk. That would be absolutely fabulous. But until next time, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. Did I do that right around? Yeah, okay. And myself and lovely Miss Tig Green, we'll see you again soon. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.